When the voice on the phone said Jacques gone, no, I didn't cry. I will never make your morning take so much time to realize that you're truly gone. Do you listen to Tequila Sunrise? I'm sure you took it there. When you're out in that world, you got to see Marcus and Phil. Wish this could be real. I will never make your morning take so much time to realize that you're truly gone. Do you still have that old guitar right there close to you? Do you ever play in a bar our old bluesy song? Well, I still do, and they're all for you. No, I won't ever make your morning takes too much time to realize that you're truly gone. No, I won't ever make your morning takes too much time to realize that you're gone for good. To realize that you're gone for good.